What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. Thanks, guys, for watching some of my vacation video. We just landed in Paris a couple hours ago. There's Kelly saying hi in the background. She's kind of tired. I am too. I just want to let you guys know we went to a duty-free fragrance shop, and they had a couple fragrances on sale. It's pretty cool that they don't have in the United States yet. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and first impression of one of the new fragrances of 2018, and it's from the house of Herrera. 212 VIP Men Party Fever. Long name. 3.4 ounce bottle. I'll leave the details below, how much I paid for it and stuff like that. It's a pretty good price. Can't beat it. This is a big bottle. They have 3.4. I think they have a smaller bottle too, but they didn't have it there at the duty-free shop. They had a bunch of other Dior fragrances, you know, throwback ones and stuff. I was looking for a certain Chanel fragrance, Edition Blanche, but they didn't have it. If I find it, I'm going to definitely buy it and review it on my channel. If you guys want to know more about Herrera 212 VIP Party Fever, please leave a comment below, let me know. I went to unbox it and gave my first impression, so here we go. The box is kind of cool, different colors. Empty. Some stuff on the back here. Empty on the side here. Top has nothing on it. Bottom has some information. You guys can see that. So let's unbox it up. Opens up like this, pretty much. Open it up like this. Bottle slides out. Really nice bottle. It says 212 VIP Men Party Fever. Nice bottle. Really nice. Has a magnetic cap too. Pretty cool. Cross it has here. VIP. Side here has VIP Party. You guys can see that. Bottom of the bottle. And I think that's the batch code. Let me read it to you guys. The batch code is 80381. So hard to see that, but the bottle's pretty cool. I like the bottle. Like greenish, light green, bluish, different colors, green. So like oil slick. Girlfriend said like oil slick. Snaps on place. Bottles like this kind of blue here. See how it smells. So in this fragrance, some of the notes out of the fragrance here, I have the note right here. It has notes of ginger, juniper berries, red apples, citrus, geranium, cannabis, vetiver, cedar, musk, and tonka bean, and tangerine. A lot of notes right there. And I get some of the notes I get in this is the ginger. I get a lot of citrus. And I get a little bit of the red apple in it so far. I don't get any tonka bean or the cannabis yet. It's just my first time wearing the fragrance, so I'm trying it out. I'll leave links below how much it costs, and if they have sites online you can pick it up overseas, I'll leave links below on my channel. If you guys heard about this fragrance, Herrera 212 VIP Men Fever, please leave a comment below, let me know. Not a long name, but I like the bottle, pretty nice. I like the fact it's magnetic, so distribution is really good too. So thanks for watching this video, and more videos are coming soon. 212 Herrera VIP Men Party Fever. So you guys have a nice day. Bye.